Introducing the Ramacan 2 Cup Holder Mount by Ram Mounting Systems. The Ramacan series is your ultimate travel companion for quick and convenient mounting solutions compatible with virtually any handheld electronic in virtually any vehicle. Removable and versatile, the Ramacan Cup Holder Mount serves as the perfect vehicle accessory for your smartphone, iPhone, iPad, GPS, radio, Kindle, tablet, and much more. The Ramacan Flex Rod Mount is your all-in-one solution with a 6-inch aluminum rod that bends to the desired position, ideal for smaller handheld devices. The Ramacan Double Ball Mount features a unique double ball and socket mount, ideal for iPads and tablets that require alternating between portrait and landscape mode. With hundreds of interchangeable ball and socket components to choose from, Ram Mount offers the most diverse set of mounting options available. Made in the USA and backed with a lifetime warranty, the Ramacan Cup Holder Mount is a universal and convenient way to mount devices in your vehicle, boat, or other mode of transportation.